What would you say if asked about the most critical part of your body? You might think of the heart, the lungs, or the brain. But let's hone in on a specific part of the brain, the medulla oblongata. This little powerhouse sits within the brainstem, acting as a critical relay station between the brain and spinal cord. It plays a central role, overseeing our involuntary functions like the heartbeat and breathing. Intriguing, isn't it? How such a small part of our brain holds such immense responsibility. The medulla oblongata is like the body's ultimate multitasker. It's a small, cone-shaped mass of nervous tissue buried deep within your brain, yet its responsibilities are far from minor. Let's dive into some of the incredible tasks the medulla oblongata performs. First, there's the regulation of your heartbeat. It's the medulla that keeps your heart ticking along, beating in that steady rhythm that keeps you alive. When you're running, your heart rate increases, and when you're resting, it slows down. All of this is orchestrated by the medulla. Next up is breathing. The medulla oblongata controls the rate and depth of your breathing. It automatically adjusts the pace of your breaths according to your body's needs. Whether you're sleeping, exercising, or simply sitting and reading, your medulla is there, ensuring your body gets the oxygen it needs. But the medulla doesn't stop there. It also takes charge of your blood pressure. It adjusts the diameter of your blood vessels, allowing more or less blood to flow through them, and maintaining a steady blood pressure. And let's not forget reflex responses. Coughing, sneezing, swallowing, all these are under the medulla's jurisdiction. All these functions, mind you, are involuntary. They happen without us consciously thinking about them. Consider for a moment how complex and overwhelming it would be if we had to consciously control all these functions. Imagine if you had to remember to make your heart beat or lungs breathe. Fortunately, the medulla oblongata has it all under control. So, what does all of this mean for us? Well, to put it simply, the medulla oblongata is the unsung hero of our bodies. This small part of our brainstem works tirelessly around the clock, regulating essential functions like our heartbeat and respiration, without us even thinking about it. But if the medulla gets damaged, it's not just a small hiccup in the system. The consequences can be dire. Problems can range from sleep apnea, where breathing repeatedly stops and starts, to hypertension, a condition characterized by consistently high blood pressure. In the most extreme cases, damage to the medulla can even be fatal. It's a stark reminder of just how vital this little part of our brain truly is. So the next time you take a deep breath or feel your heartbeat, remember the amazing medulla oblongata working behind the scenes. The medulla oblongata might be small, but its role in our survival is anything but insignificant. It's a key player in the fascinating world of neuroscience.